climbing today, and then it sort of seems like the bottom is falling out later in the week, in the overnight.
Yeah, we are expecting another front to move in, the second of 3 that I'm tracking within the span of a week. And the first one brought in lowered air quality due to dust. But the good news is that Austin at the moment seeing good air quality standards, moderate in San Antonio. Right now we're looking at clear skies overhead, temperature of 63 degrees at Camp Mabry, 61 at the Austin airport. Our humidity, 65%. It's still relatively dry out there, so it will still feel comfortable in the afternoon. Yesterday afternoon, we made it to 91 degrees. Today, out and about for early voting, temperatures do top out at about 92 degrees. It'll feel very similar. It will be a little breezier this time around. Our next front already working its way through the Rockies. Meanwhile, we're looking at the return of a south wind today. This is going to allow our temperature to climb back into the 90s while we start in the 50s and the low 60s. So let's go ahead and plan your day. As the day continues, it warms up to about 92 degrees in Austin, 90 in Georgetown, 92 in St. Marcus, and then overnight it cools down. Meanwhile, we will see a bit more cloud cover moving in Thursday ahead of our next front. Our second front, the one that's working through the Rockies right now, is going to arrive just in the evening on Thursday. We still have time to warm up to about 90 degrees in Austin tomorrow afternoon, and then that front pushes through. We're talking about a 20-degree temperature drop between the time it arrives and about midnight. We will see that potential for a few isolated showers, but really not looking at a lot of rain, only about a 20% for Friday, very early in the morning, and then again next Monday and Tuesday as our next front arrives. And speaking of our next front, that is the third in 7 days. This one will pack more of a punch when we're talking about our temperatures. See, on Sunday, it actually warms up into the 80s, and then that front arrives late Sunday into Monday. We will struggle to get out of the 70s next Monday and Tuesday. Your allergy forecast today, ragweed and mold staying high. The Statesman's where you can stay updated on that. And our temperatures kind of going up and down, but it'll feel much more like fall Friday and Saturday. And don't forget, it is going to be breezy. Jason?